Nigga Gutter told me to do this shit here, so I'ma do it. I like this beat anyway, yeah. Turn it up a notch. Listen, bring 'em in. Yeah, I like that. Bring that piano in now, man. Yeah. Okay. And you know it's next, the beat, and then come a 5-verse from Flame. Yeah. Hey. Hey, I'm thugging hard in the yard with my clique. I got some badass bitches want me to hit, but when you spit too fast, you get tongue twisted. But when I spit, motherfucker, niggas know that I'm gifted. They say my shot like John Wayne or Billy the Kid or Jesse James, whatever, nigga, I'm 100%. I know I can't miss, nigga, I'm the shit. The feds after me, too many murders on the street. I'm from the city where the weak can't leave out. Little niggas will look you in your eyes and squeeze out. Yeah, my squad full of green, Glocks with some beans. I got a bunch of little killers on my fucking team. Think you can stop me? Bitch, nigga, try your luck. In the K dump, you gon' have bad luck. I know I'm cold hearted, that's how I grew up. On the streets of N.O., this shit fucked up. Yeah. You know what I mean? Shit be fucked up around here, bruh. Or should I say Woden? Cause from where I'm from, that's what we use. You feel me? You dig? You smell me? You diggity? What's poppin', Damoos? You smell me? This your non-tech gangster. Nah, non-tech grenade. Yeah, I'm on it. I like this shit, yo. Yeah. 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 I'm hot in the bitch right now too, man. You nigga got me on this shit, man. Why they do that to me like that, man? Good night. Amen.